Yo, what is up, YouTube and the Monster Club? It is yours truly, the life of the party, the young Gohan, your Saturday night delight, because I am the party monster, back in the house of Monster, back out with a brand new video. And in today's video, I got a very special pickup that I've been saving for 3 years now. Yes, your boy got this during the pandemic. It comes from the Nav website. I'm vaguely familiar with his music. I know he was at Rolling Loud this year, but I actually missed all of his set and everything. So, yeah, there's that. But anyway, this is actually part of the whole RIM renovation I'm going to be doing and everything. You guys are going to be seeing all my videos going forward from the RIM of Monster. You guys have probably seen like 2 or 3 videos in the RIM of Monster, but going forward, I'm going to be doing all my content and stuff from there. Like, I think it's like a better setup and everything, well, with the computer and whatnot. And yeah, so you're both going to be doing this whole Twitch thing. I'm starting a gaming channel very soon, so a podcast channel as well. So your boy is definitely going to be working hard in 2023 going forward. But anyways, this is something I picked up a while back, and let me just show you the box real quick, because where this has been sitting, it's definitely been weathered. Thankfully, the item is still secure inside the box, but yeah, this is definitely something I always wanted to have in my room and everything, and it'll make sense in like 2 seconds when I show you guys what I picked up. But it was definitely a long time in the making, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys haven't already, make sure you join the baddest club on YouTube. Of course, it is the Monster Club. Hit that subscribe button. Join your boy. Road to 500 subscribers starts right here, right now. You can make the difference by hitting that subscribe button. It means the world to me. Hitting the like button as well. It definitely goes a long way with the YouTube algorithm and everything. So again, if you like my channel, if you like me, please hit those buttons, and I'll give you a virtual hug. I appreciate you guys. And anyway, without further ado, let's get it. Okay, guys, so before we get into the main event, here's the undercard. A little bit of a sneak preview of something you're going to be seeing very soon as well on the channel. Again, I'm doing this whole series of where I just start bringing really dope things to make the Monster room look way better and better than it ever has before. So here it is. It is the Beatbox Beverage Blue Brass Fox Neon box that I got from them like a month ago or something like that. I know exactly what's inside of it. You probably can guess just with the neon being on the box and everything and the size of the box. But if you don't worry. I'm going to show you guys this one very soon. It's super dope. I'm really excited. It's going to be lit. There's a slight spoiler. And I'm super blessed to just have it and everything. And yes, let's get into the box itself. But before we do that, we got to take a toast to the Monster Club. Cheers to you guys. And here's to a good night. I'm actually going to see Nightmare in concert in like 4 hours. And one more, because tomorrow starts fantasy football. Well, actually started Thursday, but the main course is tomorrow, where all my teams are going to be going live, and hopefully we win some games. So here's to that. Bless you, Samuel Adams. But anyway, and here at the box, I do not want to put this thing on my lap because it is dirty as hell. Again, it's been sitting outside for the most part for like 3 years. I don't really even need a box cutter. It's too much open. Just like that. Oh, wow. Okay. I wish I had known I did this prior to leaving it outside all that time, because I actually have some merch pickup as well. So yeah, thank you them for putting it in plastic and everything, because I'm an idiot and it's been kind of chilling out there for 3 years worth of rain, and I'm not gonna say thunderstorms because we don't really. Okay, cool. So the main item is secure, but okay, guys, a little bit impromptu, so let's just get into the merch first. First up, I don't know if I mentioned earlier, but it is from the Nab Good Intentions line from his album they dropped. I don't know why I wanted this hat, but here it is. It says Good Intentions. It's a trucker hat. Got XL on the back. Oh, that's a nice little detail. If you look close enough, you can see there's actually a skull behind the smiley face. So, okay, we're starting off the right way. Wow, I forgot I ordered merch. Like, wow, what am I doing with my life? Okay, so we got the first t-shirt. I think I ordered these all separately, but I think they all just came together with the one big pickup order I'm going to show you guys last. Woo, Plastic, you are the MVP today. Okay. So we got this green and black tie-dye. I definitely rock with green and black, especially white, because they're jet colors. So, you know, we had to rep. It says good intentions on the front and good intentions on the back. You got a melty smiley face, which might be a slight spoiler for the thing that I'm going to show you last. Who knows? It might be. It might not be. Who knows? I'm just talking loosely. Okay, next up, we got this red and black tee. God, I literally forgot I ordered like all of the stuff. Oh, okay, cool. Wow. So you got good intentions. NWO. You guys know your boy loves the WWE and wrestling, so that's probably why I picked this one up. You got the Wolfpack on the back. That is dope that they even let him collab like that. Wow, this feels really hard. Like I'm loving my pickups and everything. Even though I forgot I even ordered all these damn things. Okay, we got one more, and I think I remember this one. Okay. This was me trying to fairly flex, I guess, with my money from the stimulus. You got good intentions on the front. And you've already seen the back, so let me show you it again. A V-Loan tee. So, yes, your boy has some V-Loan, which I actually have a couple of V-Loan pieces. So, not as exciting. I think it's a dope shirt regardless. So, that's all the merch. But let's get into the main event. The thing that will just set off the Roma Monster. It is the real game changer. Okay. I might have to get some scissors to open it up. But you guys are smart. You guys can probably already figure out what it is. Can I just open it like this? Yes, I can. And again, look at this box. It's not even this, it's discolored and all that. Just, it's weathered almost 4 years worth of storms out there. But anyway, we have the brand new rug in my life. If I can unroll it for you guys. It is a melty smiley face that says good intentions. Look at it. It's so dope. And I've actually seen a couple of rugs with a melty smiley face at like raves and shows and whatnot. If I'd known they still have had them, I would just probably have gotten that one. But I don't know, I've had this one for a while and I'm super stoked on it. Again, you've probably already seen my Antisocial Social Club rug, but that special cloth, I'm super excited about that one. And yes, I couldn't be more excited about all my pickups, even though I forgot half of them. But the rug, it's here. Hope you guys like it. If you guys do, hit that like button. Okay, guys, so that's going to do it for this video. And that's crazy. I literally forgot I ordered most of the things in this package, but they're here nonetheless. And I'm definitely going to be rocking them at some point and everything. But yeah, that's going to do it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you hit that like button. Definitely share it with a friend. And more importantly, you guys are really great at this. If you feel the vibe, hit subscribe. You guys can follow me on X at PartyMonster1 and on Instagram at PartyMonster05. And until the next video, remember, don't be a dick. Be excellent to each other. Party on, dudes. Peace. I love y'all. Bye.